Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are making ice cream sandwiches for the 4th of July. Yay! We are going to attempt to make it with cats. We are going to attempt to make it with two different cookies that I have made from Funfetti chips, and you've watched me do that over the last two videos if you've watched them. If not, there will be a link for the videos throughout this video. But for this video, you only need two things. You need cookies and you need ice cream. I have made both. I made my ice cream and I have made two different types of cookies, and I'm going to show you how to make ice cream sandwiches with them. Oh, you do need one more ingredient. And that's all completely optional, and that is something to roll the sides of your ice cream sandwich in, if you want to. Now this could be sprinkles, jimmies, mini chocolate chips, some kind of chopped nuts, anything like that could be useful. I have rainbow sprinkles or rainbow jimmies, depending on who you talk to. I call them jimmies. I don't diverse. Chocolate jimmies, rainbow jimmies, they're all jimmies to me. Now, to make this, get our ice cream. Yes, this is my teenager warning sign so that people stay out of it. The only ice cream that has come out of here was taken by me because I wanted to try it. It is a little freezer burned, but that's because people like to play with my freezer. I have two different size scoops. I've got a medium size scoop and I've got a large scoop. I'm assuming that my medium size scoop will probably do. I'm going to keep my large scoop out just in case I feel like I need something bigger. Got my Funfetti cookies, which are about the same size. Oh, as you can see, my ice cream is already getting melty. Ooh. Okay, so, oh, come on, there you go. And then ice cream and, alright, okay. Oh, so there's one. I don't know how many of these I'm going to successfully make, but we will see. Because I had this ice cream out a little bit longer than I had planned. Oops. Oh, oh, come on. So it's really hard frozen in the center and really soft on the sides. Now, once you get them like that, I'm going to take some plastic wrap. Okay, so I'm going to just wrap these up and wrap them up because our ice cream is melting quickly. What a mess I'm making. Anyway, I've never made ice cream sandwiches before, but this is the way the Betty Crocker website said to. I'm following their orders. Let's stick these in the freezer. So let's do one more and then we're going to refreeze our ice cream a little bit because it is getting very, very soft. Simple, but messy. Anyway, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to repeat this action and make as many of these little ice cream sandwiches as I can. As you can see, my ice cream is starting to melt, so I'm probably going to stick it in the freezer, let it harden back up, and then continue. But that's it for tonight. Happy 4th of July, baby.
Happy 4th of July.
Okay, so last night I failed.
Did you?
I did. I failed big time making the ice cream sandwiches for this video. Because it was so hot in the apartment, the ice cream like really quickly turned to soup, and the cookies are just chocolate messy clumps. I'm gonna put those back in the freezer. We're gonna try this again. I didn't have time to make more ice cream. But I've gotten the temperature in the apartment down a few more degrees, and hopefully that will take care of it. Hand me an apron. I'm not about to get chocolate ice cream on this dress. And we're get started.
Guess what?
I'm getting Rudolph.
Yes.
Okay, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on the 4th of July. I dig it.
People always talk about Christmas in July, and we're just making it happen.
Well, my name means Beloved Christmas. That's why the channel is named Beloved Christmas. So to me, it's Christmas all the time. So it's literally supposed to be as simple as cookie, scoop of ice cream, cookie, wrap and saran wrap. It's literally supposed to be that easy. But so far, I haven't done it. something completely different. Hi. We're having our ending scene in Jonah's kitchen. This is Jonah. And this is our dear friend Jen, and she's going to, along with Joey, check out our ice cream sandwiches and decide which ones they like better. So we have the Funfetti that has the cream cheese in the recipe, and then we have Riley's base cookie recipe with Funfetti chips and walnuts in them.
Oh my.
Okay, so yes, what Jen doesn't know is that the Riley base, so to speak, this is my oldest's recipe for cookies. Like this is his, you know, his base recipe. Any cookie he makes, M&M, chocolate chip, this is what he uses. Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
All right, so dig in whenever you're ready.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna have Jonah.
It's right here.
I'm gonna have Jonah.
It's right in front of me.
We're gonna compare the same ones.
Yep.
Tastes like home. Cookie's good.
Yeah. All right.
Well, since I know how everything already tastes,
Yeah.
it's great. And I think with this cookie, what's happening is exactly what I feared it was happening. One bite and it's just completely fracturing off. I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up, but I have this giant fragment right here. So I'm going to take a bite on this side and it's just all going to chunk off right there.
Because it is very crumbly.
Let's get, yeah, I'm going to get right up.
Like when it breaks, it's just crumbly. So you got.
There you go. There's your fracture.
Here.
I mean, I'm eating it, so I mean, that should be a hit. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's a decent indicator. It's like, oh, she keeps going.
Yeah, but even bad ice cream is still tolerable. I mean,
No. Define bad ice cream. This is something legit ice cream.
because it's homemade.
Made with love. You know what? We'll go to the next one. I'm just gonna put mine over here.
This makes me feel like a pig.
Well,
I take forever eating ice cream.
I ate a huge chunk of his.
I like this.
I was having a hard time getting purchasing the cookies on this one.
Mm-hmm. You like that one?
I like the cookie. I mean, it's a good cookie.
Yeah.
I like this one. I think it's like just a little more, not as crumbly as that one.
Mm-hmm.
This one's a little more together.
Yeah.
I think it's also a matter of flour.
Even with it being chunky.
This one has more flour in it. This recipe called for 3 cups, where that one only called for 2 1/4.
I mean, ice cream is good.
We're gonna end the video.
Verdict: the walnut. And
I like this one. Not to say that one's bad. They're both good. I like this one.
Alright.
we'd like to thank our friends Jonah and Jen for joining us on this video.
Thanks for having us. I'm sorry. I'll make you some chicken later. Don't worry.
And thank you for joining us, Jonah.
He's like, this is BS.
Yeah. You guys are just eating in front of me.
Yeah.
Right.
He's like, oh, thanks for the invite, front row seat.
Yeah, but you know what? It's his kitchen, so we figure he has to be in the shot. So, okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Hey, want to subscribe? You can click on the purple Christmas tree. Not sure you want to subscribe yet? You want to see more content first? You can click on this video over here. Until next time, take care and be safe.